Okay, concrete trucks are coming today or whatever.
All right, well, I'll drop it off.
Yeah. Okay, so they're all up.
Oh! Look at that. The whole roof is painted.
So my kids, I kept them home. Bye, Amy. Ooh, that's good. Oh, the little addition our neighbor put on the back of his house. Going. Oh.
I agree with your neighbor though. This is kind of a nice. It's so nice. It's a sunny day. It does feel like.
Yeah, that's true. It's a new beginning.
Send out a before and after picture to all your friends.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, there goes the house. Oh. Oh, that is so sad. Oh. You're going to see the bathroom soon. The bathroom's behind that wall. Oh no, that is the bathroom because that's the tile. Take that window sash. Oh no. Oh.
Do they separate anything like the steel and the wood?
He said they're separating the tree branches, the brick. Kids, was it worth it to watch this? Yeah.